package.
Yes.
What's inside?
Okay na yan. Enough na yan.
Yay.
What's inside?
Shoot. I
Wow.
don't think it's on me. Ooh, and I have some bracelet. Shoot.
Wow.
Is there something? Oh, no. I guess these are just plastic.
Wow, next.
Naman.
Wow. Beautiful.
They look good for
Ang
me.
ganda naman ng chinelas.
I think kasya sa akin yung slipper na.
I think that's more good.
For you? Okay.
Yan, galing kanina yan.
Kanina yung galing. Thank you, Ate Jello.
Christmas.
I'm so fresh. Mas fresh pa ako sa
Tingnan.
Let me see.
1, 2, 3.
To Kuya Pen.
Ay, galing kay Kuya Pen.
Hey, Kuya Pen! Oh, wow! Kuya Pen sent you something. Wow naman.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I
God.
think her mom think it.
Ah, Tita Delot, think about it.
Oh,
Oh, wow! Wow! Sabi nga, sabi mo kay Kuya Pen.
Thank you.
ganda ng camera.
Ayaw ko na mag-smile eh. Dahil ang ngipin ko kabig.
Ganda. Oh, I love
Ay, napanood ko to. I have watched
it.
it.
Lipstick. Oh.
Hindi yan lipstick pen.
Mm.